Drag the Control Timeline Magnification slider to the right at the bottom of the timeline panel to zoom in on the timeline. You want to be able to see a thumbnail of each clip and enough detail in the time ruler that you can accurately change the duration of each clip. Drag the right edge of the first clip, One Family, to 0300 on the time ruler. Photoshop displays the endpoint and the duration as you drag so that you can find the right stopping point. Then, drag the right edge of the second clip, To Boat Ride, to a duration of 0300. Shortening a video clip this way doesn't change its speed. It removes part of the clip from the video. In this case, you want to use the first 3 seconds of each clip. If you wanted to use a different portion of a video clip, you would shorten the clip from each end. As you drag the endpoint of a video clip, Photoshop displays a preview, so you can see exactly what content will appear in the last frame of the clip when you release the mouse button. Repeat step 3 for each of the remaining clips so that each has a duration of 3 seconds. The clips are now the right duration, but some of the images are the wrong size for the canvas. You'll resize the first image before continuing. Make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the timeline, and then in the Layers panel, select the One Family layer. That clip also becomes selected in the Timeline panel. Then click the triangle in the upper right corner of the One Family clip in the Timeline panel to open the Motion panel. Choose Pan and Zoom from the menu, and make sure that Resize to Fill Canvas is selected. Then click an empty area of the Timeline panel to close the Motion panel. The image resizes to fit the canvas. However, you applied the effect only to quickly resize the image, and not to pan and zoom, so you'll remove the effect. That will leave the image at the new size, which is what you want. Open the Motion panel from the One Family clip again and choose No Motion from the menu. Click an empty area of the Timeline panel to close the Motion panel, then save your work.